Whew. Okay, guys, this has got to be one of the freaking hardest thing I've had to do to this car. Out of the Lancer, my Maxima they can't see because it's bright outside and it's too white. But man, this is crazy. Like, look at this. To get this thing off, I couldn't even take this off. Like, it's still connected. I couldn't do it. I was having troubles getting this off. You can see it kind of spin right there. Trying to get this off. Like, it's all rusty, all bad, all nasty and stuff. But thanks to Maxpeeding rods, they gave us an adjustable end link. So that's what we got. You know, we didn't have to buy a new one. I thought we did, but we didn't. So we got two of them right here, 1, 2. And we're gonna put them on the new set of coilovers. So actually, yes, here you can see a little bit of damage. You know, I had to take it off. It would not come off. So I had to take it off through here. Got this dismantled. Yo, but look at this. That thing is all, it's all broken. Yeah, so this is my sister's car and we have to get her some new speakers. We gotta paint the car. This is a little project we're working on. We're gonna do some body kits. Now we got the car here. We're gonna be doing some little work to this car. We're gonna lower it. You guys see we got the coilovers. We're gonna get new fenders, new hood, new bumpers. Thinking of getting the Monster Speed Protege bumper, which hangs a little lower with the front lip, big fog lights. Maybe get some fender flares. After that, we're gonna get some wheels that stick out. Pretty much it'll give you like the Lancer. So we're gonna wrap it or get some paint and then music, everything. So it's just gonna look nice. Not really like a performance car, so we really won't do much performance. Not like this one. That's a race car. So she got 5% window tint all around. See, we got like little things like this that we gotta get rid of. All right, so we got here the old one, the new coilovers. Well, old suspension, new coilovers. So, you know, we're gonna match up everything. All right, so everything pretty much matches up. That goes here, same thing, same angle. Has that little thing right here, has this little thingy right here. So quality of these coilovers are actually, they're getting better. I'll be honest with you. When I put the Lancer coilovers, the quality was good. It looked good and everything. We just couldn't go low in the back. Like you guys can see, it's not that low. I want to go way lower. So I think they kind of fixed that. Before, it used to have like a little, like the metal used to be like closed off here, so it wouldn't go down anymore. But this can actually start like scrolling all the way up. And look how much shock travel you have. You have from here all the way up to here. That's not bad. But yeah, so we got this, and then we're gonna put the new ones on and we should be good. Let's get it. All right, we got both of them out. These are the rears, and now I had to get this. They gotta stay on, but we got the new ones, so we gotta put them on. There's what the new one's looking like. Maxpeeding rods, pretty good. Good job, not bad. Let's see when we connect this one to here, and then adjust the height pretty much, and we're good. You guys see this? This was facing this way, and it was down here, and it was hitting the caliper. So I had to take off the caliper to get to it. And on top of that, the bolts to the caliper were also seized. We're also old and rusty, so I couldn't take them off, and that is a mess. Like, look at all this mess. Like, this is incredible. My WD-40 didn't do much. So I had to cut the other bolt. You guys can see the whole mess right here. We've been here, it's like almost, it's 5:30, and I started at 9:40. So almost 8 hours. So on just 2 things. But let's get her done, and then I'll do the front another day. All right, so we're now doing the front side. We did change that. We have the old one. We got the old one here. We did change it. So the only problem I'm having right now is taking this off. This car is rusty and old. Well, not rusty, but it's very old and it has not been touched. So this keeps spinning, so I have that. But when I use my impact gun, it spins, it starts smoking, it won't come off. Got my cutting wheel. Only problem is I don't have an extension, so I gotta wait to get an extension so I can cut this bolt off and then try to cut this bottom one off so I can put them on. But yeah. Yo, this thing was a pain in the ass to take. It's like nightfall already. But look at that. That's what I had to do. Had to use a grinder. Grinded the crap out of it. I even scratched it. There's the new one. And now we gotta put it on. So Maxpeeding rods. Hopefully it's a lot easier. But this is a pain in the ass. It's like what, 6 hours on this side just because the one on the bottom couldn't come off. Not even the one on the top either. So yeah, I had to break that thing off and use a whole bunch of stuff, and I took it off by pieces. You can see like a piece there, a piece there. It's all crazy. But Maxpeeding rods. Well, as you guys know, the Lancer got it. Yeah, no, not the Maxima. But let's see, these should be good. So we got the sway bar, we got everything. We got everything that's supposed to be on. So let's finish this side. So it's about to be nightfall. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys know how to put coilovers on. You know, just put the 4 holes up there and then put this in here and we're good. All right guys, this is where we're at. We installed the rears and look how high that thing is. And then we installed the fronts and look how low it is. I think it's a little bit too low. So we're gonna raise it up just a little bit. But we can't even drive the car because, yeah, that broke. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. And then this one is hella high. Yeah, it's like super high, but that's because the end links that we have are too long. So yeah, it touches. Yeah, since that touches, we're gonna have to change the end links. We got new ones. They both of the sides touch, not good. So we're gonna change that real quick. All right, I got it off, you know. So there's the new one. Let's see. There's the new one, there's the old one. The difference, it's not too much. It's not too much, but you know, something. So we actually gotta put this on. And let's see how we do that. So I'll put the camera down real quick and try to, hold up. There you go, it's on. This should be the same length as the other one. It's like 6" or 6.5 inch. That's what we need. Reason why right now it's still touching is because the other wheel is off and the car's like kind of slanted. So yeah, let's finish putting it on and hopefully everything works. All right guys, you can tell from here, I mean, we got a flat, so we actually ate through the tires. We're gonna finish it up. The install is done. We need the new end links. I think you guys can see it. Well, we need a new end link, and yeah, you just gotta lower the back though and get a paint job and whatever. But yeah, we destroyed this tire. Look at this, and that's the coilovers. So you guys already know where we're at. Auto Works. This is where I come for all the cars, so they're gonna take care of me. Poor little thing. All right, so we're getting the tires put on. He's working on it right now. New tire. What do you guys think if we put something like this on the car? On my car, obviously. SSRs. These look sick. They look expensive though. But just imagine that on my car. I don't know. Change it up a little bit. With a big old turbo and some drag radials. So you guys, we got the tires put on. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, look how slanted that tire is. No wonder I ate it up. So we're gonna leave the car here. Look at this. And the steering wheel is straight. That's crazy. But, so yeah, we're gonna leave the car here actually. We're gonna get it aligned later. So we got an appointment, but we gotta leave here. I don't wanna drive it like that. But yeah guys, so new project car. If you guys like it, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you guys want to see content on the Maxima. on the Lancer and this one. Yo, what if we take my dad's car, we lower and put some wheels on it? Right? But yeah, guys, so a lot of things like lights, fenders, bumper, wheels. We're gonna lower it way more. Don't worry, it's not the last. You know, we just gotta get it driving for now. We already got that 5% tints and like 10% in the front. So, but yeah, this little car, little project car. I'm gonna give you guys an update, you know, later on or whatever. Let's see what else we're gonna do to the car. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for the other cars and this car being on the channel. But thank you guys. Remember, God is good. God bless you all. Put him first. Peace.